Wake up, wake up, meaning to stop sleeping, to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up, get up, meaning to rise from bed, to rise from bed. I get up as soon as my alarm rings. I get up as soon as my alarm rings. Turn off, turn off, meaning to stop a device from functioning, to stop a device from functioning. Don't forget to turn off your alarm clock. Don't forget to turn off your alarm clock. Freshen up, freshen up, meaning to quickly wash and get ready, to quickly wash and get ready. I freshen up before making breakfast. I freshen up before making breakfast. Brush up on, brush up on, meaning to improve or practice a skill, to improve or practice a skill. I brush up on my vocabulary while having my morning coffee. I brush up on my vocabulary while having my morning coffee. Put on, meaning to wear clothes or accessories, to wear clothes or accessories. I put on my jacket before heading out. I put on my jacket before heading out. Log in, meaning to enter a computer or system, to enter a computer or system. I log in to my email first thing in the office. I log in to my email first thing in the office. Catch up, meaning to get updated or finish something you missed. To get updated or finish something you missed. I need to catch up on my assignments today. I need to catch up on my assignments today. Look up, meaning to search for information, to search for information. I will look up the meaning of the word during my break. I will look up the meaning of the word during my break. Write down, meaning to record something in writing, to record something in writing. I write down my to-do list every morning. I write down my to-do list every morning. Follow up, meaning to check or inquire about something later, to check or inquire about something later. I need to follow up on the email I sent yesterday. I need to follow up on the email I sent yesterday. Take over, meaning to assume control of something, to assume control over something. She will take over the meeting while I'm away. She will take over the meeting while I'm away. Eat out, meaning to dine at a restaurant, to dine at a restaurant. We decided to eat out instead of cooking dinner. We decided to eat out instead of cooking dinner. Cut down on. Cut down on. Meaning, to reduce the consumption of something. To reduce the consumption of something. I'm trying to cut down on sugar this month. I'm trying to cut down on sugar this month. Whip up. Whip up. Meaning, to prepare food quickly. To prepare food quickly. I'll whip up some pancakes for breakfast. I'll whip up some pancakes for breakfast. Run out of. Run out of. Meaning, to have no more of something. To have no more of something. We might run out of milk soon. We might run out of milk soon. Wash up. Wash up. Meaning, to clean dishes. To clean dishes. I wash up the dishes right after dinner. I wash up the dishes right after dinner. Clean up. Clean up. Meaning, to tidy or organise. To tidy or organise. I need to clean up the living room before guests arrive. I need to clean up the living room before guests arrive. Take out. Take out. Meaning, to remove something, often rubbish. To remove something, often rubbish. Can you take out the rubbish, please? Can you take out the rubbish, please? Pick up. Pick up. Meaning, to collect or tidy. To collect or tidy. I'll pick up the toys scattered on the floor. I'll pick up the toys scattered on the floor. Put away. Put away. Meaning, to store things in their proper places. To store things in their proper places. Please put away the groceries after unpacking them. Please put away the groceries after unpacking them. Sort out. Sort out. Meaning, to organise the contents of something. To organise the contents of something. I need to sort out my wardrobe this weekend. I need to sort out my wardrobe this weekend. Work out. Work out. Meaning, to exercise. To exercise. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. Warm up. Warm up. Meaning, to do light exercises before a workout. To do light exercises before a workout. Don't forget to warm up before running. Don't forget to warm up before running. Burn off. Burn off. Meaning, to use energy or calories. To use energy or calories. A quick run helps me burn off extra calories. A quick run helps me burn off extra calories. Wind down. Wind down. Meaning, to relax after a busy day. To relax after a busy day. I wind down with a book before bed. I wind down with a book before bed. turn on, turn on, meaning to activate a device, to activate a device. I'll turn on the TV to watch the evening news. I'll turn on the TV to watch the evening news. Run through, run through, meaning to quickly review something, to quickly review something. I will run through my notes before tomorrow's meeting. I will run through my notes before tomorrow's meeting. Lie down, lie down, meaning to recline, usually for rest. To recline, usually for rest. I like to lie down for a few minutes after dinner. I like to lie down for a few minutes after dinner. Hang out, hang out, meaning to spend time socially, to spend time socially. We will hang out at the park tomorrow. We will hang out at the park tomorrow. Catch up with, catch up with, meaning to reconnect and share updates, to reconnect and share updates. I'm going to catch up with an old friend over coffee. I'm going to catch up with an old friend over coffee. Bring up, meaning to introduce a topic in conversation, to introduce a topic in conversation. She will bring up the idea of going on holiday. She will bring up the idea of going on holiday. Chill out, meaning to relax and do nothing stressful, to relax and do nothing stressful. I'm going to chill out with a movie after work. I'm going to chill out with a movie after work. Focus on, meaning to concentrate on something, to concentrate on something. I will focus on improving my writing skills. I will focus on improving my writing skills. Give up, meaning to stop trying, to stop trying. I won't give up on learning a new language. I won't give up on learning a new language. Go on, meaning to continue, to continue. The show must go on despite the rain. The show must go on despite the rain. Call off, meaning to cancel something, to cancel something. We had to call off the picnic due to rain. We had to call off the picnic due to rain. Look after, meaning to care for someone or something, to care for someone or something. Can you look after the kids while I'm out? Can you look after the kids while I'm out? Find out, meaning to learn or discover information, to learn or discover information. I will find out about the event through a friend. I will find out about the event through a friend. show up, show up, meaning to arrive or appear, to arrive or appear. He didn't show up for the meeting. He didn't show up for the meeting.